In this video, we're going to talk about two different sounds. Voiced sounds and voiceless sounds. When we make voiceless sounds, we don't use our voice. When we make voiced sounds, we turn our voice on. B, m, v, z. Now sometimes two sounds are almost identical. The only difference is one is voiced and the other is voiceless. Let's look at some examples. Touch the top of your mouth with the tip of your tongue, a little bit behind your teeth. Stop the air with your tongue. Then release the air. T, t, t. That's the T sound. T. Now turn on your voice. D, d, d. That's the D sound. D. Now, touch the top of your mouth with the front of your tongue. Then blow. S. That's the S sound. S is a voiceless sound. S. Now, let's turn on our voice. Z, z. That's the Z sound. Now, put your teeth on your lower lip and blow. That's the F sound. Now, let's turn on our voice. That's the V sound. Is a voiced sound. Now sometimes voiced sounds become voiceless, and voiceless sounds become voiced. I'm going to give you some examples. See if you notice a pattern. Pets. Pets. The S at the end makes a S sound. That's a voiceless sound. S. Cars. Cars. The S at the end makes a Z sound. That's a voiced sound. Z. The voiceless sound S becomes voiced. Why? Why does this happen? See if you can hear a pattern. Listen carefully. Pet. Pet. Pets. car, car, cars, cars. Did you hear the pattern? In this word, the letter T comes before the letter S. The T makes the T sound. That's a voiceless sound. So the S is voiceless too. Pets, pets. In this word, the letter before the S is R. The R makes the R sound. R. That's a voiced sound. So the S is voiced too. Cars, cars. This same pattern is common with the past tense ending ed. In this case, a voiced sound can become voiceless. Learned, learned. Learned is the past tense of the verb learn. Talked, talked. Talked is the past tense of the verb talk. Notice that the E at the end of the word is silent. Shh, it doesn't make a sound. It's silent. In this word, the letter before the letters ED is N. N makes a N sound. That's a voiced sound. So the letter D is voiced too. Learned, learned. In this word, the letter before the letters ED is K. The K makes a K sound. That's a voiceless sound. K. So the D is voiceless too. Talked, talked. Finally, in some cases, the F sound, which is made with the letter F, becomes voiced when a noun becomes plural. Knife, knife. Let's see what happens when we have more than one knife. Knives, knives. When the noun becomes plural, the F changes to V. The V makes a voiced sound. V. Now, because the V makes a voiced sound, the S is voiced too. Knives, knives. The E in this word is silent.